ever wondered if there's a way to get that sleek, salon-perfect blowout at home without the hassle or damage? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Keratin Complex Personalized Blowout Smoothing System Kit, a set that's been making waves for its promise to smooth, straighten, and transform your hair into a shiny, frizz-free masterpiece. This system includes everything you need: the KC primer, the PBO, personalized blowout solution, and the picture-perfect hair bond sealing mask. It's designed to work on all hair types, so whether you've got curly, straight, or somewhere in between, this kit promises to take your blowout to the next level. When I first tried this kit, I was really intrigued by the idea of having a personalized blowout experience in the comfort of my own home. The instructions are straightforward and the steps are simple. First, you apply the KC primer, which preps the hair for the smoothing treatment. It's a creamy, lightweight lotion that feels very hydrating without weighing my hair down. The real magic happens when you apply the PBO solution. This formula works like a professional keratin treatment, coating each strand to help eliminate frizz and smooth the hair. My hair felt instantly softer, and the formula didn't leave any sticky or greasy residue. I let it sit for a few minutes, and then followed up with the picture-perfect hair bond sealing mask, which gives that final touch of nourishment and seals in all the goodness from the primer and PBO. In terms of real-world performance, I loved how my hair felt throughout the process. My strands were noticeably shinier, smoother, and had that freshly styled look without having to use a flat iron or other heat tools. As I went about my day, I noticed less frizz and more control over my hair, especially in humidity. Always a win. Now, of course, no product is without its pros and cons. On the plus side, I have to say, this kit really delivers on its smoothing promises. It left my hair feeling soft, manageable, and much shinier than usual. The PBO solution was also easy to apply, and the mask definitely added an extra layer of softness and moisture. However, I did find that I needed to take a little extra time to ensure even application, especially with the primer. If you're in a rush, this kit might take you a bit longer than your usual blowout routine. Also, the scent, while not overpowering, didn't exactly thrill me. It's a bit chemical, but that's something you can get used to over time. When it comes to value for money, this kit falls on the higher end. But considering the professional-grade results it delivers, I'd say it's worth it if you're looking for a long-lasting blowout without frequent salon visits. If you're someone who loves having that sleek, straight hair, but doesn't want to risk the damage from excessive heat, this might be the solution for you. I compared it to some other popular blowout smoothing kits, and while there are cheaper options out there, they don't quite match up when it comes to the smoothness and shine this system provides. The other kits didn't leave my hair as soft, and some didn't seem to hold up as well in humid conditions. In terms of build quality, the packaging of this system feels sturdy. The bottles are large and easy to handle, and I appreciated that the kit included the bonding mask, really an all-in-one solution. I've used other keratin treatments that require multiple steps, so having everything in one package felt very convenient. When it comes to longevity, this treatment does an excellent job of keeping hair smooth for days. After one use, I noticed a reduction in frizz and an overall sleeker look. I also found that the results lasted even after several washes, which is a great plus. As for customer support, while I didn't need to reach out to Keratin Complex, their reputation for handling inquiries is solid. They're a well-established brand, and reviews from other users suggest that the company is responsive and helpful when questions arise. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few budget-friendly options, like the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Relaxing Balm or the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. Both provide good smoothing effects at a lower price point, but you might not get the same level of shine or long-lasting results as the Keratin Complex kit. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting blowout solution, I think the Keratin Complex Personalized Blowout Smoothing System Kit is a fantastic option. It provides professional-level results at home, and it's well-suited for anyone who loves smooth, shiny, and frizz-free hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.